Andrew just caught his first fish, jerking the pole and reeling it in and casting it out. There's the fish. Andrew caught it. What do you think?
Great.
Huh? You got your first fish. You caught him all by yourself.
Now this is...
Huh? Now we gotta get him off the hook. Who's gonna do that?
You.
Huh? Me?
Yeah.
Pick him up. We gotta get him back in the water here pretty soon. What do you think?
Can you unhook him?
Huh? I'm gonna have to unhook him here really soon because we gotta get him back in the water. Fish don't live out of the water. Looky there. You want Dad to do it?
Yeah. Whoa!
He's flapping around, huh? Pretty neat, huh? You caught him all by yourself.
He's a big one.
Good job.
He's a big one, Dad.
Awesome. You saw the bobber go under the water, and you jerked on the pole, and there's your fish. That's how it works. Okay, Dad's gonna put down the video camera now and get this guy off the hook. There's Andrew's first fish. Nice. Good job, Andrew. 5 years old.